The Jean Paul AS-400 revolutionizes student saxophone performance through exceptional value combining superior build quality, professional ergonomics, and remarkable tone quality, establishing this instrument as market leader for student-level players and budget-conscious musicians. The premium brass construction featuring gold lacquered finish provides visual sophistication and acoustic quality associated with professional instruments despite student-level pricing. The floral engraving decorating the bell combines aesthetic appeal with acoustic enhancement characteristic of premium saxophone design. The white plastic key touches provide comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended practice sessions. We share by links in description box. The Jean Paul plastic mouthpiece included within comprehensive package delivers rounded tone with decent response suitable for beginning students and intermediate musicians. The square backpack style hardshell case protects instrument during transportation and storage while maintaining portable convenience. The exceptional intonation stability throughout entire range addresses critical challenges typical of budget saxophones. The straightforward AS-400 neck design facilitates intuitive operation and rapid skill development. The responsive key mechanism provides satisfying tactile feedback during performance. The immediate response across dynamic range enables quick sound production and confidence building. The Miami-based Jean Paul USA provides rigorous quality control through professional setup and inspection before shipment. The free professional setup and annual checkover ensure reliable long-term performance. The outstanding value combining superior build quality, excellent intonation, professional tone, and comprehensive accessories establishes the saxophone as exceptional choice for serious student musicians.